So where are we today then? Today we are at Elstead, just over from Hankley, and we thought we'd do this because it's going to pee it down with rain all day today, which means it'll be quiet over here because normally it's a bit busy. Somebody is super excited. Even Mimi joining in. Look at you getting all excited and having a little run. It's certainly cooler today. You like the rain, don't you, Bubba? Makes it a bit cooler so you can run around a bit more. And today you are running around. We were going to do the Dally Point, the pointer point rather, Dally Point. You've never pointed to anything in your life, have you, Mimi? Somebody looks as though they want to wear Ode. Yeah, you're going to have a little... little rub. Well, it's fair drizzling it down, but when you've got views like this way, Bubby. Yeah, look at you two. How well behaved are you today? I'm going to come to regret that later, I'm sure. Having all sorts of fun this morning. So one going over that way and Mimi going over the little bridge. She doesn't like to get her feet wet, do you? You don't like to get your feet wet, do you, Bubby? This has got to be one of the nicest picturesque public footpaths that we go along. I don't think many people come along here. It's not very worn out. This is where they all get a bit excited. There's a lovely brown English pointer up there. Yeah, Mia's going to go and see now. She's absolutely stunningly beautiful. It's not all sweetness and light. We do get to go down some. If this is the worst place we ever walked today, it's still a great life. It is a bit dark and dingy down here in the rain. It's still beautiful though. Here she comes. What are you looking at? Oh, is it time for runs? Yes. How they manage on the sand, I don't know. But then they've got 4 poor drives, so we're certainly hoofing it down with rain now. But we don't mind. We like a bit of rain, don't we, Bubba? Over the boardwalk, down by Elstead. Do 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 do. I don't know the rest of the words. But you like my singing, don't you, Mia? And me rather. You like Daddy singing? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Look at that tail go. You're not quite sure what it is, are you? It's just a bench, Bubba. Just a bench. With some dragonflies on. Nicely carved in. Yeah, some dragonflies that side as well. Yeah, very picturesque. And here is the other dragonfly. Up there. Not really sure what that's supposed to be. Pylon, maybe. we've gone full bog swamp. It's not that warm this morning, but hey, if you're going to go in for a little swim, why not? You've always got your bathing costume on, haven't you, Mimi? Yeah, you're just going to go through all the mud now, aren't you? Just get really muddy. Yeah, that wasn't the best idea in the world. Oh, look at the state of you. Look at the state of you. Well, at least that put a bit of a spring in her step. Look at those cute little monsters. And with a full bag of energy, we get to the end of the walk. It's been lovely. Quite like the rain. That's it. All done.